Finishing touches, yeah?
Yeah. Almost done. Alright, Ruben.
You're a man now.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow! You don't even understand, Kyle. I almost died now, man.
You're a man now.
I fell asleep during the tattoo, bro.
Really?
Yes. Because of the weed, I think. Knocked me out. The weed and the pain, man, knocked me out.
That's good, man. Man, you relaxed.
Wow, you don't even get to understand, Kyle. It hurts like a motherfucker.
Should have just shaved your whole chest all at once.
Wow.
Rock, huh?
That looks fucked. That looks real good.
Finish this part.
Finish, man. Look on the mirror.
Yeah.
Nicely done, man.
Wow. Shaking. Wow, bro. Looks fucking awesome, huh?
It's sick, huh?
Wow.
Nicely done. That's a nice tat.
Thanks, man. Wow. It
Yeah,
hurts
look
like a
awesome.
motherfucker, man. Whew.